Hi, Easily students. It's Miss Hartley here, and I wanted to talk to you today about using collections inside Destiny to be able to find books. So when you're in your NC Ed Cloud and you're logged in, you want to click on the books where it says Follett Destiny, and then you have to tell it that you're at Easily, and it will log you in automatically. So collections is a good place to start if you're not sure what you want to search for in the catalog. If you have no clue what you want to read, some people like to just come in the library and look. And since we can't do that, this is like a good way to get as close as we can. Click on that, sorry. So you're going to scroll down to where it says collections. And then I like to just go ahead. You can scroll through this way and see them, but I think it's easier to just say see all. So they kind of go, we try and keep them almost in like grade level order. So you're going to see books for like kindergarten through second first, and then for older students later. Okay. The thing to know about this is that they will change out seasonally, and they will change out just based on new things we want to add. And then we're also going to feature different teachers and people. So like right now, we've got Hispanic heritage, Halloween, monsters, and then we usually keep things like pirates and princesses and cars. And again, see all of them. And then for older students, like we've got things like funny books or Hispanic heritage for older students. And this is a new thing that we're starting to do. So we're going to have Mrs. Keeler and myself have a section where you can look at our favorite books for older students. And we're also going to be asking teachers to do this as well. And we'll switch out the teachers. So if you go to collections, one time you might have Mrs. Wilkerson's favorite books, or one time you might have Mrs. Parkinson's favorite books, or Mrs. Farr's favorite books. It just depends on which teachers are in that month. Okay, so let's look at mine because, you know, that's what everybody wants. So if you see a book that looks interesting to you, I love this one. Well, I love all of them, but if you click on it, you can learn more about the book to see if it seems right for you or good for you. And if you like it, again, just go ahead and press that hold button, and then it will come to my computer and I will check it out to you, and you can come to curbside checkout and pick it up. Okay. So if you want to ever go back to collections, like if you get stuck, you can always use this bar that will take you to collections too, or you can scroll down. Or if you are inside a collection, like let's say I was looking at this Monster Madness and it's not quite working, if you come up here to the bar and hit collections again, it'll take you back to the beginning. Okay, so hopefully you guys can use this as like a place to just start, where if you're not really sure what library books that you want to get, this will give you a beginning point.